ocean as my guide. Top down riding, let the west coast vibes collide. Corner store stops, grab a drink.
Hey guys, good morning. आज ऑलमोस्ट 8:30 हो चुके हैं. It's 8:30 in the morning and आज थोड़ा लेट चल रहा हूँ मैं. Interestingly, I wanted to do a range test where I'll be practically driving this car, but somehow आज मैं लेट हो रहा हूँ for office. तो ये रेंज टेस्ट बन चुका है. रेंज टेस्ट एट अ स्पीड ऑफ 120 km/h. So it's almost 280 kilometers जयपुर से गुड़गांव and 250 kilometers out of 280 will be purely on Delhi Mumbai Expressway. So for those 250 kilometers we will be driving at a speed of nearly 120 km/h, mostly cruising. Even at times we will be crossing that speed if we have good open stretches, and this will be the range test today. One more thing I wanted to mention, if you have seen my last range test video, we had driven at a speed of 100 plus km/h, around 104 km/h. So that was also a practical range test. This time we are doing it at 120 km/h. AC will be on during the entire journey. As you can see, मेरे को अभी पसीने आ रहे हैं. It's very summerish weather. Summerish is it even a word? I don't know. So it's very hot. Currently 2 दिन पहले बारिश हुई है and AC will be on during the entire journey. On expressway I will be keeping the region at 0, and on within the city roads I'll be keeping the region level at L1. So let's go guys, I'm already very late. See you on the road trip.
Finds our life, ooh yeah.
So when you start driving the car at 100% SOC, तो at 100% SOC region does not work क्योंकि बैटरी is already 100% what it would charge. Okay, so शुरू के जो 3 I think for 3% people say it's 5%, but I believe after 97% when the battery goes below 97% we are actually able to use the region. So we are actually able to use the region, and below like above 97% the region is not effective. So I just wanted to update you this. As you can see, we have just started the journey. AEC just hit 161. I already told you guys in the last video why the AEC shorts up for the initial 10 to 15 kilometers. You can see this is going to be our journey around 290 kilometers and nearly 4 hours of drive. Out of 290, 250 will be purely on expressway at the speed of 120 km/h. AC just shot to 173. One thing I wanted to add up guys, when you are driving an EV within city, especially within city, try to make sure कि आप horn जरूर press करो. Press that horn. Otherwise people will not know कि भाई it's so silent कि people will not know that some car is closing in. A very small like hissing sound that it makes when it is driving at a speed of less than 20 km/h, but it is not audible to humans at all. So try to make sure you press the horn.
Shouting for more, yeah. Beach chair chilling, toes dug in the sand. With that bass line grooving, life feels so grand. Ayo.
So currently we have 152 AC, 98% SOC left, and 9.7 kilometers driven so far. सामने अपने खड़ी है White Harrier EV और ours is the grey color. So write down in the comment section which is your favorite color, and let's see which color people are more biased to. Light at the end of the tunnel.
Let's groove till we drop. Souls keep singing, let the bass line.
So guys, quick update. AEC is currently 135, 134. Traveled almost 19 kilometers with an SOC remaining almost 97%. Let's see the next update. So almost 24 kilometers driven at an AEC of around 122, and SOC is nearly 96%. We have landed on the Delhi Mumbai Expressway. Speed limits are 120, and we will be definitely using the speed limits to our advantage. So we'll be testing the car at 120 kmph today. Let's go. So guys, 120 is the speed now, and इतने speed पे video नहीं बनते, तो I'll keep giving the updates timely. You can check the auto ratings. So 120 is not a recommended speed for EVs, and you should not be driving at that kind of speed. But today I'm getting really late. Obviously not really late, I'm getting thoda sa late. But this gives me an opportunity to test the vehicle. So when I purchased this EV, I had a planning, like my longest commute was from Gurgaon to Jaipur. So it is nearly 280-290 kilometers. So I just wanted to make sure that even if it's an urgency, so can this car make to Jaipur at a speed of 120 kmph. So this will help make you some decision, like if you want to purchase this car.
Secrets untold, carrying tales only the fool.
So quick update guys, SOC is currently 87%. We have driven nearly 53 kilometers at an AEC of around 168. So time for the next update. Almost we are left with 76% SOC. We have driven more than 85 kilometers, and the AEC we are getting is 181. AC is still on throughout the journey, and we are about to land on Delhi-Mumbai Expressway.
Oh, whispering pines, sing me your tune. Caught in
Time for the next update. The SOC used is 30%. Currently we are left with 70% SOC. 105 kilometers we traveled with an AEC of 184. 60% SOC, 135 kilometer driven, 187 AEC. See you later. VinFast EV is also spotted. Just spotted the VinFast EV. It's I think VF7. Yeah, it's VF7. Let me know in the comment section how you like the look of this car.
the dawn paints gold on the mountain's crown.
So guys, good news. Our car just clocked 6,000 kilometers. So write down congratulations in the comment section here. If my car completes 10,000 kilometers, I'll definitely put a detailed review of my drive with Harrier EV. And as you can see, it's nearly 52%. So nearly 50% where the car has driven from 58 kilometers. So currently, next update, we are 96 kilometers away from Gurgaon. It will take us another 1 hour 24 minutes. You can check the auto readings. The car just came to 40% SOC. Nearly traveled 193 kilometers at an AEC of 193. Wow. So we have been driving mostly at the speed of 120 kilometers. So maybe 95% of the times, 5% time we need to slow down. And at times we even cross the 120 speed limit to maybe 130, 135 as well. Just some beautiful views on the sides of Delhi-Mumbai Expressway. There's a lot of plantation, yellow, red, white flowers. So it's pleasant driving on Delhi-Mumbai Expressway, but you must be cautious as well because there are many accidents. इतना सुनसान रोड है कि people usually feel sleepy and things go bad. So make sure you listen to music, you stay alert on expressways like this. These are good expressways, yeah. Guys, time for the next update. We have nearly 55 more kilometers to go, and these are the stats. So we have done almost 235 kilometers in 75% SOC used. We are getting an AC of 197. So nearly you can assume we are getting AC of almost 200. So this range test has almost been done at a speed of 120 kilometers per hour. And I also have driven petrol and diesel cars in the past. So a car of this size, let's say a car like XUV 700 or Scorpio N, or let's say Harrier diesel variant, they hardly give a mileage of 10 to 12 AMPL if driven at a speed of 120 or 125 km/h. So you can assume like this is an EV and it is giving a range of 300 plus kilometers. We will know the exact figures once we reach our destination. But this is not how an EV car is driven, or any car per se is driven. We are accelerating it fast. We are maintaining good speeds of within the highway limits. So we are maintaining a speed of around 120 km/h. So I'll also be putting a video on how like the EV car is driven, especially on highways. We have almost reached the toll. There are some 42 more kilometers to go. So currently we are left with 20% SOC, and the distance that we traveled is 250 kilometers, and AEC we have is roughly 200. See you later. So we just reached Gurgaon, so almost 25 more kilometers I need to travel to make it to my home, and it was very difficult journey to make. I mean, shoot the video at the same time while driving at the speed of 120 km/h. So please, it's a request that if you have reached this part of the video, make sure to subscribe the channel. You can also see the past video of my range test, and in future I'll be also uploading the video regarding my experience with the Harrier EV. So please like the video, subscribe to the channel. So currently we are left with 12% SOC, and we have traveled 276 kilometers. The AEC is now 196. We have 13 more kilometers to go. So currently the tortoise mode gets activated for the car, and even if I have pressed the full accelerator, the car is not doing above 75. So it's nearly 75 to 80 km/h. It's a decent speed given the car has already moved into the so-called reserve mode for an EV. So it's a decent speed. We are about to reach our destination in next 10 minutes. So stay tuned. So final moment of truth. I have just reached my society. The car has given us an AEC of 193, as you can see on the odometer, and we did somewhere around 290 kilometers. Remaining SOC is 9%, and this was the Harrier 65 kilowatt edition. We did all this range test on a speed of 120 km/h, mostly on expressway. So 80% of the speed was maintained around 120 km/h, and AC was on during the entire journey. We put the car on city mode, and yeah, these were the stats. Thank you so much. If you like the video, do make sure you subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for the next videos. We will be making more videos in the future. Thank you so much, guys. See ya.